In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to record and manage your expenses efficiently using ERP Spirit. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this tutorial will make the process easy and clear. First, you have to go to the Transaction tab. From the drop-down list, select Expenses. The first thing is to fill in the required details. Start by selecting the posting date. Next, enter the document date. Then, input a reference number or description to help identify the expense. Then, enter the name of the person who is doing this expense. Then you have to select the payment mode. After that, choose the bank. Then you have to select the expense type and enter the description of the expense. Then choose the dimension and then enter the amount of expense. After that, you simply have to save it. After saving it, you have to post it. Then we will go to the inquiry and select Voucher Inquiry. In Voucher Inquiry, just select the posting date and click on View Report. After that, you got the list of all expense. Then click on any expense you want to verify. You can also print your expense voucher from here. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently enter, save, post, and verify expenses.